Who realizes they're wrong mid-sentence?
I hate you. Shut up. I'm going to one and two now.
I'm going to work out.
Good. Do you want these in half or do you want them like this?
In half of that.
Huh?
In half.
What's onions for?
Put it in the chili. Put it in the chili.
Stop it, Dawn!
Did you at least get her catching herself wrong mid-sentence? Did you at least get that part?
I think I got that part.
No,
God damn.
she didn't. She...
The most important part of the conversation you missed.
Shut up.
I'm going to work out.
Good. Goodbye.
I'm only going in the
Fuck
basement.
out, too.
I'm only going in the basement.
Rocky
What do you
Duke.
mean you're going to the basement?
Rocky.
That's what I got those bands for.
What are the bands for?
Training, you dipshit.
Fuck you, asshole! How am I supposed to... You're fucking putting on a show now. Now you're being a fucking douchebag.